Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I'm making chicken bread roll, crispy outside, creamy and juicy inside, a perfect snack for your iftar table or evening tea. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, add half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon water. Add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Half teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Cook for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon capsicum. Transfer to a bowl. Add mozzarella cheese. Mix well. Take a bread slice, cut the edges. And roll thin. Add cooked chicken filling. Keep filling slightly dry before stuffing. Apply water at the edges and fold tightly. Seal edges well to avoid opening. Beat 1 egg. Dip the roll. Coat with breadcrumbs. And fry in medium heated oil until golden brown. Bread rolls are popular Ramadan snacks. Mayonnaise adds creamy texture. Rolling bread thin makes it crispier. Breadcrumb coating gives crunch. Fry on medium heat for even color. Do not overcrowd the pan. Chicken provides protein for energy after fasting. Homemade snacks use control oil. Fresh vegetables add nutrients. Best enjoyed fresh and warm. Your chicken bread roll is crispy, golden and perfect for iftar. Serve with sauce or chutney. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovent Foods for more Ramadan special recipes.